Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. So, we're getting more done on the Lancia today. I forgot to film some of the stuff that I've done earlier, but we had a new package come in today. Yay! All new connectors. They're soldered. Just heat them up and whip. Solder goes perfect. I love it. Absolutely love it. So, we have brake light switches, ran, routed, and harnessed. So as things get ready, I'll kind of tuck everything up out of the way, put it in its proper holders, and we'll be good to go. So, you'll have to pardon me, I have sinus problems really, really bad today. So let me get this out of the way. Okay, so we have the spare red. Literally just says spare power. We are going to put it as the cigarette lighter, because this new harness doesn't have a cigarette lighter spot. And we're moving things back to the way they were from factory. So, well, as close as we can get without trying to buy switches from Italy. So here's our turn signals. We're going to put our headlights here. They were reverse. It just feels more logical to have them here. And since there is no pedal button to do the high beams, ding, ding, and it's in, high beams, on. Beautiful. It's a wonderful thing. So we're doing a little bit of cleaning up, cutting out all the excess so that we don't have 9 miles of wire inside the dashboard. So it'll make it a lot easier to tuck everything up and make it look nice and neat like it's supposed to. So we got a little bit more to go for fine tuning. I think I showed you guys yesterday, we did the new routing. Okay, tongue got wrapped around my tonsils again. So we did the new routing for high beam. I'm sorry, low beam. Run it in because it's high beam and low beam power coming off the same spot. But the high beam goes to here to run power to the switch up here. Then runs out to go to the headlights. So from the headlights, I also had to do an extra to go up to here. So that's all done and ran. So we're going to be tucking that all up out of the way in a minute. Try and get more of that done. It's just I'm nickel and diming it because I want it right. So it's fine-tuning all the wiring so we don't have 9 miles worth of wire in the way, because I don't need all of that inside the dashboard. It just makes life so much harder and more to burn up. So do small, aim small, miss small. Easiest way to put it. So we'll get everything routed and tucked up. I'll start running the headlight switch, start routing those wires, put them in their harnesses. I got to order more because I'm almost out completely. So we'll get everything routed, tucked up in its harness. Well, harnesses in this case. And we'll get you guys updated as we get more done. I don't think I've got much more to go before I'm going to start adding power to the system and running just small little tests. Okay, dash lights work. Yep, great, not a problem. Headlights work. Yep, great. You know, just one system at a time to make sure that we're good. I don't think this car has a horn. Nope, but we can do some squeaky squeaky. Sorry, I'm in a strange mood. Sinuses are killing me. But, all right, guys, we'll let you go. We'll get everything done, and I'll show you as much as I can as we're able to, and we get things a little more in line. All the back's done. I already showed you guys that. So, on that note, aren't they pretty? Yay. Okay, we'll see you guys.